Hi, welcome to another episode of Cooking with Coach Rob. It's January the 3rd, 2019. And what we're going to do tonight on this episode is we're going to do a quick demo of the active air fryer. My friend Noelle won one at her staff party. She works for one of the grocery stores and she won a fryer. I'm not sure if it's exactly like this, Noelle, but basically what we're going to do is we're going to cook some chicken fries I bought at the Walmart today. So obviously you're going to plug it in, right? Now this one, Noelle, is probably a little bit different than yours. This one opens by pushing the button here, and inside I bought an aftermarket tray that I'm going to put the chicken fingers on, and that keeps the grease from going onto this part. Like, this is the part that normally comes with it, right? And normally you would put it in here and just put that and your product in there. Like if you're doing chicken wings, you would do that, and you would put in the agitator that turns it around, right? So when you turn it on, that would actually spin. But in this case, we're going to use this. And with some of the models, and I think yours is like this, Noelle, yours would, like the top wouldn't open like that, it would pull out like this, and then you would put your product in that. It would open up like sort of like a drawer, like sort of opening up like a drawer. But I'm pretty sure yours isn't like that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab the chicken, the chicken from the freezer, in this case chicken fries, and we'll show you how we put them in. So I've got my great value chicken fries here. On the back it says cook in a conventional oven at 425 for 12 minutes, right, 10 to 12 minutes, and let stand. Now this unit here does not have a temperature adjustment on it. Yours, Noelle, will probably have somewhere on it like an adjustment. You could set it for like your 425. But this case, in mine, is just an on-off situation here, right? And it's been working pretty good. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to put them in, just kind of scatter them in here. I don't know how many I'm going to have, whether these are filling or not. So we're going to put a few more in, like 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. I'm going to put about 20 in because sometimes at McDonald's I'll get 20 nuggets. And then basically what you do on this one is you just push the button and you turn it on. Right, that's all there is to it on this one. There is no timer on this one, so you really have to watch it going. So we're going to check back in about 10 minutes. So I'll get the stopwatch going on the phone here, then we'll stop. We'll check back in about 10 minutes. And like I said, Noelle, with yours or anyone that has a drawer type, you would just pour the drawer out and put the stuff in and turn it on, but refer to your instructions. Okay, it's almost time for us to check it. Right about 4 minutes and 45 seconds. We're going to check it at a 5-minute mark. And like I said before, Noelle, I think I told you this before, I cook bacon in this, in the basket, and I've cooked chicken wings in it. I've cooked French fries. When you do the fries, all you do is put your French fries into a bowl, like a steel bowl, like a metal bowl, like you've seen me use them before. You put a drop of the olive oil in, and your fresh cut potato fries you just put in and move around with the tongs here. And they take about 10-12 minutes. And I've done oysters in it. I've done lots of things. So right now we're gonna, in this case, we just push this button here and it opens it up, and we're gonna do a temp. I don't think they're done yet. It's got to be 165, at least in the Fahrenheit scale. And we're going to do a temp here. And this is, well, it's getting up there. It's not quite yet. It's 123, 125. No, it's still going up. So as you can turn them over if you want, but you don't have to change the position of them in this particular air fryer, because this one rotates, like this rotates in here, this basket. But for those of you that have them that don't rotate, and I think, Noel, you're in this category, you would have to pull the door out, shake it a bit, then put it back in. So we're just going to automatically start that back up, and it's got about another 4 or 5 minutes to go. So when it's all done, we'll be back and we'll check it then. And thank you. As you can see, they're coming along good. They're about 8 minutes 18 seconds now. And if you like this content, please like and subscribe to the channel. Also check out my new Facebook page. I've had it up about a month now, and it's actually called Cooking with Coach Rob. And also on my YouTube channel, you will see I have a playlist of what's in the bag, and I also have another one that's called Vancouver and Thrift Store Hunters. So please check out those playlists as well. We really appreciate your support. Okay, I think we're approaching the 10-minute mark here. We'll just check our timer yet. They've been in for about 10 minutes almost. So we're gonna do another temp check. We can actually push the power button and turn it off this time to do it. And we're gonna get our tongs here. I'm trying not to block here. Turn my back to you guys. And put it in here, I guess. And I don't know if you can see it in the camera, but it's getting up there. Maybe not quite, eh? So we're gonna go. We'll check another one here. Yeah, we're not quite up there, so we are going to do it a few more minutes. Then we'll turn it back on here. Then the next scene you will see, they will be done on the plate, and we'll show you what the finished product's like. I'm thinking to have some barbecue sauce with this. What do you say, guys? In the comments, please comment your favorite sauce for dipping chicken fingers, or in this case, chicken fries. Thank you. And as you can see, the finished product, they're on the plate. They're done now, and I've got some bullseye garlic barbecue sauce to go with the garlic and onion. One quick note over here, I always leave the lid up for it to be for it to cool down. Then when I do wash it, I wash it with hot and soapy water in the sink. Like this basket comes out and this top part comes off too, but that's going to be really hot there. Okay, so hopefully this answers some of your questions. Remember, all the air fryers are slightly different. If you have any questions, please put them in the comments. If not, have a great day. Thank you so much for watching.